Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 81 C10. Runs good, got a rebuilt 350 in it. There you can see air conditioning. I don't know if you can hear the fan, but it's working. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Horn does not work. Here you can see your gauge is working. There's your wipers. As you can tell, I'm in a building and my dome lights, you can tell by that, is working. Let's see. Yep, there you can see the radio comes on, works. Probably in this tin building I can't pick up a station, but so runs good, everything works on it. Except for the horn. Horn does not work. Hear it? It's good. All the lights work. Hard to show you in the building. I'll turn them on. There you can see the dome light. And there's your lights. And you can see back there, and the tail lights work back there against the camper. So, said the only thing I know doesn't work is the horn. Any questions? 605-695-7391.